Welcome to my channel Codicities, your topics, our views. Why Codicities? We always focus on never copy and paste the code. Try to understand the code before implementing it. Try to learn it, implement it, and then note it. Make a small one or two demo, keep it on GitHub, make a small note in your notebook, notepad, but never code as it is. That's the main concept behind opening the channel. In this channel, you are able to get the details about the different topics about the technology like Microsoft, Python. The intended audience could be, freshers, the software developers, anyone who is, keen to know about the technology, what's happening in the software development arena, what's happening in the technology part, what's happening in the security parts. So we will keep you posted on the this channel. Let me introduce first myself. Okay, I have more than 14 years of IT experience. I have been, working as a technology senior technical architect in an MNC. I have started my career with data warehouse development. I have worked on IBM Data Essential stage. Then I moved to the Microsoft technologies. I have worked, more than 10 years on this. Then I moved to the cloud technologies. I have worked on Azure Cloud. I have hands-on experience on AWS and GCP. If you consider the domain, I have started my career with the real estate domain, then moved to the security domain. I have also worked on the IT application development domain and telecom domain. These are the few kind of technology in the process which I have, much expert on this. I have worked on the MS technology, Microsoft technologies. I have worked on the AWS, Azure, GCP. Python is my self-learned technology. You can say I have created few IoT modules with the help of Python, Raspberry. So with the help of this, I have created some small IoT modules. I will give you the demo also in another video. DevOps, CI/CD, these are the two, hot topics nowadays in the industry. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment. DevOps, development plus operation now is going hand by hand. I am certified as Scrum Master, so I have handled, various Scrum teams. I was a part of project management team also, where I have to handle the team. These are the Microsoft technology which is evolving. I have worked on. So I have started my career with the .NET Framework 1.1, then it's moved to 2, now 6 already in the market. This is ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, MVC 5, Core, ADO.NET Entity Framework, Web Services, REST API, WCF Services, Web API, Oracle, SQL Services, MongoDB. Now, Microsoft, these are the patent technology of the Microsoft now. Now, Microsoft is coming into the open source. So .NET Core is introduced as an open source technology from the Microsoft. I have worked on this also. I have worked on the Azure Cognitive Services. If you say the cognitive services like speech recognition, face recognition, if you heard about the Alexa, Siri, Cortana, these are developed using the cognitive services like a speech to text, text to speech. Azure Board Services, it's fairly easy to develop a board unless and until you have complex operations to perform. Azure DevOps can be implemented using Azure, Jenkins. There are various tools which is available in the market. R system, with the help of R system, you can do the analytics. Python and R system go hand in hand. In Visual Studio 2019, you can develop the Python R system, so you don't have to add any other download, or you don't have to do any downloads for these systems. Keeping this short description in mind, I would say thanks to everyone who is watching this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. If you have already subscribed, then thank you very much. If you're not, then please subscribe. Click on the alarm button so that you can get notified for the latest video. I will try to post more than 3 videos in a week so that we can be aware about the technology, what's happening in the technology. Thank you.